The director of Delhi Public School in UP's Ghaziabad, Colonel Ratanveer Singh, has been arrested for allegedly hiking the school fees continuously. It has been alleged that the school fees rose by 341% in the past 10 years. The parents of students of DPS Ghaziabad had been staging a sit-in protest for a long time. The arrest was made after the authorities found out that the school had defied the orders of the district magistrate that the fees of private schools should not be increased for the next 3 years.
डीएम साहब के आदेश पर नगर शिक्षा अधिकारी ने तहरीर दी थी, उसी आधार पर ये कार्रवाई की गई है।
However, Colonel Ratanveer Singh, who is accused in the case, has dubbed it as a conspiracy against him by some parents. He said the parents purposely showed swelled figures to implicate him.
सिंडिकेट बैंक के बाहर में जो पेरेंट्स प्रदर्शन कर रहे थे उसमें जो बैंक के मैनेजर साहब थे, he was very perturbed and then he got the DGM I think also to come and stand there and उनको ये था कि सर हम इनको पेरेंट्स को क्या बताएं. Actually sir, the thing that has started is yesterday I will not give out the names and the exact number of people who done this, but yesterday between 10 to 20 people have committed forgery. They have cut out the exact figure that was published in the school fee bill, which was circulated to the parents between 15 to 26th of March. And they have, because this was the first time that a fee bill has been given instead of the fee booklet that was happening. So some parents had taken undue advantage of the fact that there was a gap in communication. So some people have cut out that figure themselves intentionally, which means it is something which is culpable under section 420 and deposited that fees. Now once one or two people had done it, then there was an avalanche of people who came in. बहुत सारे लोग आए, तब बैंक वालों को लगा कि शायद इसमें कुछ गलत बात हो रही है.
On the other hand, parents think that strict action should be taken against Colonel Singh because he misused his powers and has been harassing students and parents for long.
सर हम लोगों ने पहले इनसे बात की, इनका इतना गंदा अड़ियल रवैया है जिसके प्रति हम लोग बहुत ज़्यादा परेशान भी रहे. हमने इसके लिए पहले बात भी इनसे कई बार मैनेजमेंट से बात करने की कोशिश करी, लेकिन मैनेजमेंट हमसे बात करने को तैयार नहीं हुई. हम लोगों ने इनके प्रति एक प्रोटेस्ट निकाला, जो भी हमने बिल्कुल साइलेंट वे में निकाला, लेकिन मैनेजमेंट का कहीं से भी कोई रवैया नहीं है कि हमसे आके कुछ बोले या हमसे आके कहीं भी लाइन अप नहीं करते ये लोग. आज भी हम लोग बैंक गए फीस डिपॉजिट करने, तो उन्होंने वहाँ भी हम लोग को स्ट्रिक्टली मना कर दिया कि नहीं, हम इस फीस को नहीं लेते, हम हाई फी को ही लेंगे. बच्चों को इतना ज़्यादा तंग करें स्कूल में, बहुत ज़्यादा, कि हाई स्कूल में पढ़ाना है तो हाई ब्रांडेड पैसे दो.
बच्चों इसके साथ क्या मारपीट या
नहीं, बच्चों को पर्सनली बुला के मेंटली हैरेसमेंट करें कि पेरेंट्स को बोलिए फीस डिपॉजिट कराई जाए. आप ब्रांडेड स्कूल जाते हैं तो आपको ब्रांडेड फीस देनी है, ब्रांडेड शूज़ है, नाम काट देंगे, सब बोलते हैं.
This report was brought to you by NNIS.